So I'm just going to start off with the Origins eye cream. I love this. It's got like just a little bit of shimmer in it. So I really feel like it helps like radiate the eye area, which I need. So this is the new Fenty Beauty. I'm using the shade 120, but I feel like this is going to be a little light for my skin tone. But we're going to, yeah, definitely too light. But we're going to try it anyway.
It's really nice coverage and it actually looks amazing in pictures.
I like the fact that it's light, but you can build up like the chin area where I have my acne scars. Like you can build that up, but it's still light the rest of the face. I look so white. It's nice, really nice and light. So if you're looking for a light foundation, definitely try this out. But I think it's because I'm on Roaccutane. My skin is super dry and it's clinging, like I'm having problems with my nose. It's like clinging to all the dry skin, but that's probably to do with the fact that I am on Roaccutane at the moment. Completely the wrong colour for my skin. I look like a ghost, but I'm gonna bronze that up now, so that should hopefully go. Just gonna take the Estee Lauder Double Wear around my eyes. So I'm just gonna dab that through with a sponge. Love these little mini sponges. They're really handy to get like in all the corners. I'm just gonna add a bit more. I'm all about that bright eye. I'm trying to stay as young as possible for as long as possible. So I'm just gonna go along my cheekbone and then round the top of my forehead. Hopefully this will help create some colour in my face. Sorry about this face that I do.
Then I blend it all in using my iconic brush sets. I love these brushes.
Okay, I'm going to take the Barry bronzer and just try and create some colour in my face. I usually wouldn't put this much bronzer on, but because it's completely the wrong colour, we're going to try and sort that out.
I then go in using the MAC eyeshadow palette, the 9-1, and it's got some beautiful colours in like brown to mocha, and I've just gone in with a really dark brown in the corner and then I blend it out with like a lighter one. I'm going to use the gold eyeshadow and just put it on with my finger for the corners. This creates a really nice blended effect. Next, I use this beautiful peach blusher from the Rimmel Kate Sculpting palette.
On the apples of my cheeks is the tricky part.
I go in with this really fine eyeliner from Rimmel. It's the Scandalized Micro Eyeliner, and I really like this because you can get a really perfect line with it. It's not messy, it's just like a felt tip, so it makes the worst part of getting ready really easy. I find putting eyeliner on really difficult, but practice makes perfect.
I wasn't planning on, but I think I'm gonna do a really smoky eye. To prevent fallout as well, I always use a cotton bud. It works a lot better than a brush sometimes, I think. Okay, I'm just going to add some eyelashes because I'm on Roaccutane at the moment and my eyelashes have gone really, really bad. So I snip them and I just put them in the corner and then just place in the corner. Whenever I've stuck eyelashes on, as they dry, I just kind of push them up so they stay in that nice like fan kind of place rather than like dropping down.
As always, wait till the glue is tacky, stick it on in the middle and then just tweeze both ends down either side.
So I'm gonna try the new GRWM Extra Volume Black Mascara Showgirl. Okay, so considering it's like a big brush, it doesn't actually have that much on the brush, so it might create a really nice natural looking lash, but obviously I've got false eyelashes on, so I'll have to report back on that one. I'm going to go in with the Estee Lauder Black eyeliner on the waterline.
I love this eyeliner. I feel like it stays a lot longer than the others.
And go right into the corners to create that like cat eye. But tip, if your eyes are close together, don't do this. If your eyes are close together, put highlight in the corner instead of black. I'm just going to put a dot directly underneath my pupil and on the other eye as well.
I feel like this works really nicely to just open up those eyes.
And then just blend that black dot out from side to side. Also going to colour in my mole, because I find sometimes it looks like a spot if I don't. And then going to take a cotton bud and go in with like a really light orangey colour, so like this one, and just put a little bit of eyeshadow underneath the eye. And before I'm going to go in with the bottom lashes, I'm going to do my eyebrows because they need doing. Okay, so I'm going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow. I believe this was discontinued, but from the looks of some of the bloggers that I've seen that are in the Maldives at the moment, with Benefit, they are bringing out a new brow product. So hopefully they will have something that replaces this. Fingers crossed. I'm not much of an eyebrow girl. I never really pluck them. I just leave them to grow. I have like this spoolie, and then I have MAC eyebrow pencil, and then I just like fill in the gaps because they're a bit sparse in some areas. Like I just accentuate that natural brow line. I don't like do too much. Just like create like fine little strokes. I love doing lower eyelashes. It's like my favorite part of getting ready. It's like the icing on top of the cake. Oh, so this GRWM, it does create like a really nice natural effect. So, I mean, like, as you can probably tell, I'm not very natural when it comes to makeup. 99% of the time, I do like a full face. But if you like natural lashes, this is actually a really nice effect. I don't like natural lashes. I'm gonna go back in with my trusted favorite, L'Oreal Volume Million So Couture Lashes. I love this. It's like my favorite. It just creates a really nice, like, dark but like not clumpy effect. Actually, I don't know what's my favorite, eyelashes or lipstick.
I only put mascara in the center of my eyes just to really create that really elongated cat eye effect.
Anyone else really hate the like feel of foundation on their lips? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I always use Spice by Rimmel. As you can see, I need to get some new ones. Just because I think it's a really similar shade to my actual lip colour.
I just really accentuate that natural lip line that is already there. I just colour it in basically just to give a really defined look.
So I have two colours from Fenty Beauty. I have the colour Shorty, which is like a really dark, brown, which I might try. But I think this other colour is going to be more my cup of tea. Really nice packaging. It comes in like this silver, really nice to like slip into your handbag because they're quite nifty. Okay, this one is called Mademoiselle. Yeah, this is probably more mine. Oh, it's smudged. It's like a peachy colour. So I'm gonna try this. Ooh, really nice.
Really nice, guys. Really nice colour as well.
So this is the final look. I feel like I definitely got the wrong shade, and I'm usually pretty good at like picking foundations from a website. So maybe if you think it's your colour, maybe get a slightly darker shade. I got the shade 120. Definitely like the I'm quite rosy as well, so the rosy tint was definitely in it. I just got probably a shade lighter than usual, but I was able to bronze it up, so I just used bronzer and it matches my neck, so it's okay. I really like the lipstick. It's like matte but not. It's got like a soft finish to it, so you know it's not going to crack or anything like that. Really, really nice. I've gone really heavy on the makeup. I don't know why, because I'm really going out. But I got carried away trying loads of new things, so I've gone for a really glam look. The foundation, my honest opinion, is that it's nice. It's really, really light. I'd recommend, if you do have dry skin, either getting a really good primer underneath first, or like really super moisturizing. But I'm on Roaccutane, as I said, at the moment, so I have like super dry skin and it's just clung slightly. But if you have oily skin, definitely give this a try, because I feel like it would counteract it really, really nicely. Like, I've not put any powder on and I don't think it needs it at all. So yeah, I hope you liked this look, and now I'm gonna get ready. I have the most amazing new things that I want to show you, so let's get changed. I'm gonna put my hair in like a top knot, but loads of you asked if I could show you how I put my hair in a top knot, so I thought we could do that as well, because it's actually really, really simple. I don't always do this, but I'm gonna put a bit of hairspray through it so it like sticks a bit better. So I just brush that through. I then get a comb. I'm gonna tip my head upside down, bear with me. So I'm gonna do this, and then I just back comb the ends, which creates like a really big knot because my hair's not that. I'm sorry if you can hear hail. It's just sort of hailing and I've got sky windows. I don't know if you can hear me. So once I've created that, I like go back in with the soft brush. Might help if I had a bobble. I go for like the stretchy bubbles. I think they work a lot. Actually no, that's way too light for my hair. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh gosh, it's like major healing. I don't know if you can hear me. Okay, and then I literally go over, done! And then I just pull a few little bits out at the front. And then because my hair has all broken off at the moment, it will fall down. So I just put a twist and pin. It's all broken off at the moment, I don't know. So yeah, that's literally all I do.
So I'm just gonna pop on, I got this beautiful, it's not showing up very well on light, but it's like a khaki green from H&M. Absolutely love it. It's like a cropped shearling. So nice and warm as well. Just gonna pair it with this Marks and Spencer's knit. Also, look how cool my phone case is. From New Look. And then, oh, and All Saints jeans in the black. And then I have a pair of brand new Carvela boots to replace my old ones because they were battered. How nice are these? They're like a suede. I like the suede because I feel like boots, if all this material can look a bit worn after a while, so I thought the black was really nice. I like the buckle detailing as well. And then I'm just going to pop on my Guess Connect watch. So this is the outfit on. I've just paired my Hermes dupe with it, and yeah, I love this jacket. It was from H&M. Really nice. I think it was like 60 quid. Look at me zooming in. But yeah, I think it's really nice this time of year. Like dark green is like reminds me very much of Burberry, like that Burberry kind of vibe. They're so nice and warm and snuggly. So if you're looking for like good knits, definitely try out Marks and Spencer's. They're so good. And yeah, let's head out. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini get ready with me, and I hope it was useful to you in some way. And if you are thinking of buying any of these products, then I hope it can help you out in some way. And yeah, I'll see you soon for another video.